Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Ed Faber and I'm the chess librarian. In lesson 3 we learned that the king can never move to a square where it can capture, and it cannot be left on a square that is attacked by an opposing piece. In this lesson we will learn what check and checkmate are. The book I'm using is called Chess: Lesson from a Grandmaster, and it's written by Grandmaster Joel Schulman. If your king is in check, your opponent is threatening to capture your king on the next move. If your opponent's king is in check, you are threatening to capture your opponent's king on the next move. In this position, it is black's turn. How do we know this? Black is in check because white's queen on e5 is threatening to capture his king. If your king's in check, your next move has to stop the check. Pause your video for a minute. In this position, the black king is not in check because the bishop is blocking the queen and shielding the king. If white moves his queen to e4, black cannot legally move his bishop anywhere because doing so would place his king in check. If you make any move that places your own king in check, it is an illegal move. In this position, the black king is in check. To get out of check, black can move the king to d8, f7, and d7. Block the check by moving his bishop or knight to e7, or capture the queen with his knight. If black captures the queen with his knight, he would not be in check anymore, since there is no direct attack to his king. Let's again review the 3 ways to get out of check. Capture the checking pieces. Blocking the check by putting a piece in between a checking piece and your king and moving the king out of check. Please pause your video. Checkmate. The object of chess is to checkmate the opposing king. Checkmate is a position where the king is in check and there is no legal way to stop the check. Checkmate ends the game. A chess game is won by checkmating the opponent's king. Let's see an example of checkmate. In this position, black king is in check. Black cannot block the check or capture the checking piece, the white queen. His king has no squares to move to because wherever it moves, it will still be in check. Black is checkmated and white has won.